Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. So today it's an apartment day. I'll be showing you my apartment. I was just filming a hair video. Can you guys please engage in that video? And yeah, so yeah, I am. So I got a new apartment. One of I'm grateful. So let me take you on a tour. So this is the door, the main door. Okay, let me camera. So when you enter, um the place is a mess right now. So I have my room here. So that is my room. That is our little TV. That is actually my office. And this is the cupboard. Yeah, so this is my bed. There is my son, he's sleeping, so I am able to film my video. Those are my mom's stuff. And then this is the bathroom and the intercom and meter box when you walk in. So these are my big windows. I'm really not, yeah. So when you walk in, here is my bathroom. So this is where we keep our gowns. There is the sink, mirror, and to keep our stuff here inside. So this is the shower. This is our shower. Keep our shoes there. So this is our mirror. Okay, this is our toilet. And yeah, this is where we keep our perfumes and stuff like that. The window. And then yeah, then okay, so this is still the main door. So there's the mat, kids area, the toys. It's always a mess here. So there's our TV, yeah, and our Wi-Fi, our router. Yeah guys, there's still a lot that I need, but I'm just grateful for the little that I have. So there is my daughter, and yeah, there is my fridge, and as well as the okay. So here it's the kitchen. We're just using those items just now. So this is our sink, our kitchen, our cupboards. We have enough space for everything. We'll keep our washing stuff there. And then we have an oven. We have some stove. We have some more cupboards for our grocery. We have our kettle, our little counter there, and we have more space on top. And guys, that is what I use for cockroaches. Okay guys, the space ended. Okay, so we have with normal items that we just keep in the garage. And then this is our garage. And then we have a little garden outside. So yeah, there's our garden, and we have a nice tall tree there. And you also have enough space here for my kids when they want to play. And there is my mall. So that is my space in the nutshell. And then back again. Hi guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching the apartment tour. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe into my channel. I really appreciate you. I can see each and every subscriber, each and every comment. It really means a lot to me for the growth of my channel.